How's it going, guys? This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to reset a Samsung watch. Pretty much any type of Samsung watch. If, for instance, you have a passcode or something's on the watch and you can't get past, or it's like frozen, you can't get past anything and it like freezes, all you have to do, for instance, you can also go into the settings menu and go through the reset process, going into general, and then going down and hitting the reset button and then go through the reset process. But I'm going to show you guys a different way, which is the back end way. So let's go ahead and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until this rebooting screen comes up, and then double tap or triple tap on the power button and then go into recovery. And once it's on recovery, hold the power button and it should start doing the reset process. You would only want to do this if you know that you already saved all your pictures, all your texts, everything that you have on the watch. Don't do it because it's just going to wipe everything off the phone. It's going to wipe everything off the watch. Alrighty, it completed the reset. It usually takes about 2 minutes depending how much data you have on the actual watch itself. If it's fully stored, it's just going to take a little bit longer, but expect to wait 2 to 4 minutes for the reset to happen. And now it says the Gear S3 to connect. It gives you the code, and that is how you reset any Samsung watch. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.